Hi FaceTory fam!
Hi, I'm Gloria. I'm the head creative and head curator here at FaceTory.
Hi everyone, my name is Janice. I'm the marketing assistant here at FaceTory. We are so excited for you guys to join our new series called Sheet Mask 101.
101. So today, Janice and I will demonstrate how to sheet mask properly. First, let's make sure your hair is away from your face.
This one's our favorite because it looks like a boonie.
Yeah. So step one, you're going to remove the mask from the package. This one's creamy essence. Make sure the nose flap is down. Put it to your face. Make sure it's aligning to your chin. You're gonna make sure it's aligned to your nose. And starting from the center of your face outward, you're going to smooth out those wrinkles.
So why is it important to take out all the wrinkles?
You want your skin to get the full benefits of all the masks. So if you have any wrinkles on your mask, it's not going to lay flat on your skin. So that part of your skin won't get the full benefits. Janice, usually there's leftover essence in the bag, right?
A, we make sure to use it now, or you can B, store it in your fridge. How long do we usually store it for?
I store it within 24 hours and use it within those 24 hours.
Yes. You want to make sure you use the essence when it's fresh. Yeah.
Ooh. A lot of essence here.
I love it when there's a lot of essence. I just like, yes, free product. More stuff to use. So,
Don't waste any of it.
don't waste any of it, guys. Save your money.
So you can use it. Oh, don't forget your neck. So Janice, just put some on her neck.
And then Gloria taught me this trick. So you don't want to do down, you want to go up.
Yes.
Because if you go down, you're gonna make your skin sag. And then other parts you can use it on is your hands, your arms. So there you go. So now my hands are extra moisturized, my neck is extra moisturized.
For step 3, you're just gonna sit back and relax, chill out for 15 to 25 minutes. Let the nutrients really soak into your skin. Don't let the mask dry out. You want to take it out before it dries out. Don't go past 30 minutes because it'll start absorbing the moisture from your skin. The mask will. So
don't sleep with it.
don't sleep with it. Don't do an overnight mask. So we're going to be back in 25 minutes and we're going to see Janice's beautiful glowy face. So we're back. 25 minutes have passed. So Janice, you ready for step number 4?
Yes, my favorite part.
Okay, step number 4 is to peel off that mask. Start from the top to the bottom. Ooh! Now she has leftover essence on her face, and what you want to do is you want to gently pat that essence into your skin, so it allows your skin to fully absorb all of the nutrients and benefits of the essence.
And then don't rub, guys, because it's gonna sag your skin. You do this? I like to do this sometimes. Yeah. In the Korean commercials, they go.
Step 6. Now your skin has absorbed the essence, but it's still moist. You want to moisturize. Moisturize your face so it could seal in all the nutrients from the mask.
So, and then
you want to gently rub upwards.
Give yourself a little nice facial, but not too hard, right?
Yes. The key point is gently. Gently, so you don't create wrinkles. So Janice has a great moisturized, dewy face. How do you feel, Janice?
I feel great. I feel great.
Her skin looks great. It looks really bright and really hydrated. She has that K-beauty glow.
Ready for the weekend.
Yeah. Thanks for watching FaceTory Sheet Mask 101. In our next portion, we'll be answering a lot of your frequently asked questions. So stay tuned for that and just keep glowing!